Hi guys, my name is Sasha and welcome to my channel. Today we will cook this amazingly simple but so delicious dessert. I didn't even expect this to be so yummy. We are not going to use any butter, sugar, and you can go for any flour of your choice. And use any fruits or berries as well. It's better to start with the filling. I use 3-4 apples. Just cut the fruit into pieces or slices and move to the dough. We need 2 flax eggs, don't forget to turn on the oven and take 150 grams of cottage cheese or low-fat cream cheese, or even vegan cream cheese. Add some sweetener. I'm using 0-calorie stevia and your favorite spices like cinnamon and maybe a little ginger. Mix well and add our flax eggs. For the dry ingredients, you can use any flour. Once again, I have 3 tablespoons of nut flour, the same amount of oat flour, and also lentil flour, which is an alternative for chickpea flour. Both of them are high in protein compared with many other options. Mix it well with your hands. The dough shouldn't stick to your hands, but it looks pliable and it's soft, and you can roll it into a large circle. One more hack, how not to overuse the flour. Just put the dough in the fridge for 15 minutes and it's going to be much thicker, so you can roll it out easily. Also help yourself with a sheet of parchment paper. Lay out the filling. You can sprinkle it with additional cinnamon or sweetener. If your filling has a lot of moisture, you can also sprinkle it with some cornstarch to avoid an excess of moisture. Now, with the help of parchment paper, just fold it inside to form the sides. And for the golden crust, go for milk or an egg yolk. Bake it for 30-35 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. It smells so amazing! And this is optional, but you can use homemade condensed milk as a sauce. I already cooked it on my channel, so go check it, because it's sugar-free and it takes only 5 minutes to do. Look at this piece, it looks so beautiful and appetizing. Also pay attention to how well it is baked inside. It is tender, but it goes perfectly with the filling. This recipe is definitely worth cooking. So enjoy it guys, and see you in other videos. Bye!